Hello students, welcome to Science Learning Gateway. I have a very good news for all the students and parents who were eagerly waiting for the Karnataka SSLC 10th result. So finally the date has been announced by the Education Minister, which is fixed and confirmed now. Okay, so I thought of informing you about this and how you can check the result. That also I will tell you in this video. Earlier, there were several rumors doing the round which claimed that KSEEB would declare the Karnataka 10th result or SSLC exam result on 7th August 2020. However, all the rumors have been put to rest with the confirmation provided by the Education Minister. So let's get started to check the final time and date. What is the final time and date when result will come, that we will look at in this video. Before starting guys, I have a small request to you all that if you're really liking my work, then please like, share and subscribe my channel, which will motivate me to help you better. Also, don't forget to click on the bell icon to get the notification whenever I will upload a new video. On the day on which your result will be coming, on the day on when your result will be announced, that day also I will upload one video. So please check that video also. Please watch the video till the end to know how to check the result of SSLC class 10th from your home. Now you don't have to go outside to check your result. From your home only you can check the result. Okay, so now we'll start. This year, as we all know, that the Karnataka SSLC result 2020 has been delayed because of the COVID-19 situation in our country. Earlier, Education Minister Suresh Kumar said that the result will be announced in the first week of August. But now the minister has confirmed the Karnataka SSLC result 2020 time and date to the media. So your SSLC 2020 result will be declared on 10th August. 10th August, that is on coming Monday. At what time? At 3 p.m. your result will be declared online. You can check the result from your home. Okay. There are two ways by which you can check the result. I will tell you both the ways how you can check the result. The first way is through online mode. You have to go to these websites. kseeb.kar.nic.in, or you can go to this website also, karresults.nic.in. You can visit any of the website and you can check the result over there. Okay, and I will provide both the links of both the website links in the description box. You can take it from there and check your result from there. The second way is through your mobile phone via SMS. You can check your result through SMS also. You have to send the SMS in this format: KSEEB 10 you have to put your roll number over there after 10, and you have to send this message to 56263 and your result will be delivered on the phone. Some local message charge may be applied for this SMS. I don't know, I'm not sure about that, but maybe that some local message charge they will apply for this one. Okay, so the final date is on 10th August. This is fixed and confirmed by the Education Minister S. Suresh Kumar. So this is the final date. Now no more rumors. So now I will tell you how to check the Karnataka SSLC result 2020 online. Means through the website how you will check those results. You have to go to you can go to both the websites. For example, you can go to this website karresults.nic.in. You have to log into this website. You have to visit to this website. Okay. So now following these steps, you can check your result very easily from your home. The first step is visit to the official website of the Karnataka government of KSEB, that is karresults.nic.in. Find and click on the link for the SSLC result 2020. A link will be displayed for SSLC result 2020. On that link you have to click. Third step is you will be redirected to a new page with input fields. Means a new page will be opened that time. You have to enter your roll number and other details which will be asked, and all the details are there in your hall ticket, that is on the admit card. You can fill all the details in that page and you have to click on the submit button. And the sixth step is your SSLC 2020 result will be displayed on the screen. You can download the result from there, or you can take the printout whatever will be fine for you. After few days, your final mark sheet will be there in the school. You can collect that mark sheet from the school. So this is the way by which you can check your result from your home by online mode. The second way is through SMS. Okay, you can check the result from your mobile phones also via SMS. So what are the steps which we have to follow for checking the result through SMS? The first thing is that you have to open the message app from the mobile. Second thing, you have to type this thing in the message. KSEB, KSEEB 10. After 10, you have to put your roll number, whatever is your board roll number, that you have to put over there, and you have to send this format to this number 56263. After some time, the result will be displayed on your mobile phone. Okay, after 3 p.m. only you have to do this thing, then only your result will be displayed on the phone, and you can check the result from there. Thank you for watching my channel Science Learning Gateway. All the best students and good luck for your future. I hope that you all will get very good marks in your board exams. If this video is really helpful for you, please like, share and subscribe my channel, and don't forget to click on the bell icon to get the latest notification, and share this with your friends also, so that they will also check the result on 10th August at 3 p.m. from their home. Thank you.